Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to connect your Binance account to MetaTrader 5. MT5 doesn't support Binance directly. You'll need a third-party connector or expert advisor from the MQL5 market. First, log in to Binance, go to API Management and create a new API key. Enable the trading permissions you need, save your API key and secret key securely, and keep withdrawal permissions disabled for better security. Next, download a trusted Binance to MT5 connector from the MQL5 market. In MetaTrader 5, go to Files YFI data folder, YFI experts, copy the EFI there and restart MT5. Then drag the expert advisor onto any chart and enter your Binance API credentials. Finally, go to Tools, 70 Options, Serve Expert Advisors. Enable Allow Web Request for listed URL and add Binance.com once connected. The connector will sync your Binance trading pairs and you will be able to monitor the market and place Binance trades directly from MetaTrader 5. Don't forget to like and subscribe.